Welcome. Today, I'm going to show you step-by-step how to reply to a comment on a pin using the Pinterest app on your PC with the latest update. Engaging with others on Pinterest has never been easier, so let's dive right in. First, open your Pinterest app on your PC. Once it loads, you'll be brought to the home page, where you'll see a variety of pins from the people and boards you follow. Next, scroll through your feed or use the search function to find the specific pin that has the comment you want to reply to. When you find it, click on the pin to open it fully. This will take you to the pin's detailed page where all the comments are visible below the pin image and description. Now, scroll down through the comments until you locate the one you want to respond to. Underneath that comment, you'll see a small option that says Reply. Click on it, and a text box will immediately appear for you to type your reply. Take your time to write your response. You can keep it short and sweet, or add a more detailed message, depending on what you want to say. Once you're happy with your reply, look for the Save button nearby and click it. Your reply will then be posted directly under the original comment, making your interaction clear to everyone who views the pin. And that's it. You've successfully replied to a comment on a pin using the Pinterest app on your PC. This simple new feature lets you connect and engage more meaningfully within the Pinterest community, making discussions easier to follow and more interactive. So next time you see a comment that sparks your interest, don't hesitate to jump in and reply.